looking from that to this. Like, do you know what that is? I did something that I've never done before, some of the things that I've never done before, and so far I like how this look looks. In order for you guys to see everything, just go ahead and keep watching, and I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go. Whew, Lord, we're going full coverage here, like full coverage. I've never done that. It was so cold last night. My face literally woke up so dry. All right, brows are done. I'm gonna go in with some concealer, put it all over my eye. I don't use eyeshadow primer, I use concealer. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's the same thing and it lasts really good. Depends the concealer that you use. I have never had problems with my eyeshadow. I always feel like it lasts on me like even a whole entire day. So I wanted to mainly go full coverage with my face, like not my eyes, but I do want to have a nice pretty like glam type of look in my eyes. So for today's eyeshadow palettes, I will be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I mainly want to put this color on my bottom lash. And I'm also using the 350M palette. Every single product that I use, I always leave it linked in the description so you guys can look it up. I'm going to start with my transition. I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush. This is the Wet n Wild. I never say my brush. I'm gonna go in with this yellow color and I'm gonna put it in as my transition, and then I'm gonna put on top a more brownish color. I'm gonna take that poopy brown that she called. I think it's called Pukey. I'm going with a light hand, a very light hand. I'm keeping it real nice and subtle. Okay, I'm gonna take the same brush, very gentle airbrush. Just gonna go like that. I'm not gonna like press it into my eye. I'm gonna go very slow, very gentle. It's like a nice mustardy, poopy color. I'm gonna go with a more dense brush. I'm gonna go with a little bit of a darker color. So I'm gonna go in with the 350M palette, and I'm gonna, I think I'm gonna take this one right here on the outer part, and then I'm gonna put it as well on the inner corner. And put it on the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna go in with a glitter, dark brown color, and I think I'm kind of leaning towards this one right here. Put very little concealer, look up, and then use a nice brush. I'm gonna use this one. This is like a small Real Technique brush. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, the wind is like no. I'm gonna go for this one right here because I feel like this one's like not as, yes, this one was the perfect one. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the same brush and I'm gonna blend that brown color that I put. I'm gonna apply a little bit more on the inner corner to like blend it. So my voice is getting better and it's kind of coming back to normal finally. I am no longer that sick. Now let's finish the rest of our face. This is a NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Drop Primer. This is such an amazing primer, you guys. It fell on my knee. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm gonna do it off camera. All right, we went for a nice subtle liner. I did that so fast. Now I'm gonna go in with, I've been using this lately. Normally I go in with my finger. I used to use the brush, but now I feel like the finger is better. It literally takes away, like, it brightens up your eye. It's impressive. For that high full coverage, I'm gonna go in with a nice drugstore makeup, one of my favorite foundations, and trust me when I say this is full coverage, it is full coverage. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. My shade is 220 Natural Beige, just in case you guys are wondering. I'm using a new beauty blender. Let's appreciate the fact that it looks so pretty before it gets dirty. Normally, like, I go in tapping motions, but I want to test something different. I'm gonna apply this on the tip of, literally gonna go with this amount and apply it and just see how much we can cover. Normally I just apply and I don't go back in and I reapply more. This time we're going Nikki Tutorials full coverage. That's what I want to see. Now I'm gonna go in with the Graftobian palette. I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna take this brush, which is flat, and I'm gonna go in with a dark color. I'm gonna go in with this one. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm gonna apply some on the inner corner. And I'm also taking with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I may be using this technique from now on. Now I'm gonna go in with the Airspun. I'm gonna bake under my eyes. I'm not gonna bake that much. I want to test something else as well. Normally I bake all over my face, but I want to test to see how much and how long my face goes without baking throughout the day. Okay, the moment has come to use the beautiful blue color. I think this is called Pool Party, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not 100% sure. But this is the color I will be using. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and I'm gonna, this color is beautiful. I've never put a color like this under my eye. A beautiful color. Oh my god. Wow, this is definitely one of my favorite all-time looks. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm gonna just bronze a little bit. Now I'm gonna blend it with this brush. Has nothing. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go in with a blush. I'm gonna take, I think I wanna mix like this one and this one. I wanna mix them in together. Now I'm gonna take a highlighting brush, the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in the shade Golden Flower Crown. And I'm gonna apply. Alright, I'm gonna go for a nude color for the lips. So I have this one. This is too pink. So I'm gonna take this color. It's like a nude pinkish color. Very pretty. But first, I'm gonna line my lips. Wow, that's a really pretty color. I like that color. Okay, now we set it. Alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. I love it. I love so far. Wow, we have full coverage in here. Like, you can barely see all my imperfections. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below more video suggestions, and I will be sure to do them. And without that further ado, I will see you guys on my next video.